Yo, videographers, what if you take these two songs, like this one, and this one, and somehow combine them together and make them way more cinematic for your videos? It would probably sound like... Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again. 'Cause you are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing relentlessly, still fighting. This is so freaking cool. I made this in a video editing software. This took me like 15 minutes to do, and now let me break this down for you so you can do it in your videos. Before we do that though, why is doing something like this going to absolutely set you apart as a videographer? Well, most filmmakers obsess over the visuals, camera gear, LUTs, color grading, cinematic shots, but music is often just an afterthought. Yet music is one of the most emotionally powerful tools that you have. You are not just a videographer, you don't just capture visuals, you are a musical storyteller whether you realize it or not. Science shows that sound, not sight, is way more connected to our memory and emotional resonance. So when you approach music like intention and not just the background, you shift from just simply making a video to making something unforgettable. I don't know if this is something that you get tired of, but sometimes I'm scrolling on Instagram and I'm coming across the same trending songs all the time. Like this one. That one's going off right now. Us as videographers are all using the exact same songs for our unique visuals. Does that bother anyone else? It's kind of annoying to me and completely dilutes your unique story and visuals. What if you could take that trending song and just customize it a little bit so that your visuals really pop? It would probably sound like this. I mean, I made that in like 10 minutes. Your visuals are unique, so why can't your music be too? Now, I'm gonna give you 4 really easy steps on how you can do this in your videos, and I promise you don't need to know a ton of music theory or download a digital audio software or become a DJ. This stuff is really simple, and all you need to know is 12 letters of your alphabet and have just a little love for music. So first step is to find the key to your song. I started with Justin Bieber Daisies. It's a solid banger. I'm just gonna go to Google. This is an easy Google search. Justice Bieber. Boom. A flat major. Easy. A flat. And now step 2 is find another song in that same key. Popular songs in the key of A flat major. Okay, a bunch of songs are popping up. So I found this website right here. Wow, this looks actually like a killer website. Song Key Finder. Popular songs in G sharp A flat major. Okay, I mean, these are so many really good songs, and it looks like there's a popularity on them too, which is sick. And so boom, Clarity, number 4 in popularity is what we're going with. So now we have both songs in our video editing software. I'm working in Final Cut Pro, and you can kind of hear these songs sound very similar. It's because they're in the same key, A flat major. Now we are on to step 3. Isolate each song using a website called lalal.ai. This website is crazy. You can upload your song and it will isolate the vocals from the instrumental. All right, let's listen to it. Throwing petals like, do you love me at night? It's so easy. All right, let's split that in full and then split clarity up by Zed. Boom. Zed's going in there now. Let's see what happens. Done.
I dive into frozen waves where the past comes back to life.
It's so crazy that I can do that. Okay, now we're gonna get rid of the full versions and just work with the vocal version. So this is what we got.
Hold on.
Justin Bieber's vocals.
Before we crash, 'cause we both.
And then Fox's vocals, clarity. And the fourth step is using tonal sound effects in the same key to create something unique now. Next thing I'm gonna do is go to the Chapters Film Score Collection, tonal sounds, and now taking the information that I had about the keys, I'm going to go to A flat. Key of A flat, and just go to textures and drones. These are great foundational elements. Let's listen to a couple. That one's cool. I like this. I mean, it's really hard to go wrong, so I'm just gonna drag this guy in and just hear what that sounds like.
If you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it. Way you got me all in my head.
That's sick. Next thing I'm gonna do is just add some reverb to these vocals. I'm gonna use Valhalla Shimmer vocal vintage verb. Maybe turn that down to like 40%. Let's hear what that sounds like.
Just take your time, honey, I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever.
'Cause you are the piece of me.
It sounds sick already. Oh, okay. Next thing I'm gonna do is go to chord progressions. These chord progressions, don't sleep on these, man. Like, you can create full songs and progressions from this. Let me just play this. I mean, it's these piano chords that are essentially walking up. It's a very specific and famous progression. You'll hear it a lot in Hans Zimmer. The cool thing is about these chord progressions is you don't have to take them for face value, right? You can chop them up, which is exactly what we're gonna do. So what we're gonna do is start with this third chord. Yup. So you can kind of just hear and play with it. So I think the order that I'm going to do is actually this guy. Yep, that's the order that I want. So let's bring this in, try to find where the hits are for these vocals. And you can kind of tell where the first beat is just by nodding your head and trying to find that one. That's what we're looking for.
If you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it.
You know what I mean?
Just take your time. Honey, I get it.
Right there. I'm almost like attacking the space bar to pause it because that's where I want it to hit.
I get it.
The last, I get it.
I get it.
There it is.
Way you got me all in my head.
Hear it? I mean, it definitely takes some musical intuition here. So,
if you need time, just take your time. Honey, I get it. Way you got me all in my head.
Maybe that was a little late. Tiny bit. Just tiny bit.
All in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed.
Hear it right there? I'm just simply using my ears to hear where that first note is.
Think I'd rather you in my bed.
Maybe a little late. And I'm gonna cut these ends off too. This is by far the hardest part.
Infinite time, just take your time, honey. I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed.
There it is.
Whatever it is, you know I can take it.
Right there.
Whatever it is, you know I can take it.
Boom. Takes a lot of finessing. Now that we got that, let's repeat it and bring it into clarity.
Time, just take your time. You know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.
Right there again is where I want this 4-chord phrase to repeat.
See you again.
'Cause you are the piece of me.
See, these chords aren't going to be perfect, so I'm going to just have to do the same thing with finding where that beat is for the chord change. Here, let's listen to it.
If you need time, just take your time, honey. I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. Whatever it is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.
'Cause you are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing relentlessly, still fighting, I don't know why.
Dude, this is so cool. Wow, we're just freaking mixing music in a video editing software right now. It's nuts. That was the hardest part, I swear. If you can listen to that, if you could practice that, you will be, it might take some time, but you will be ahead, and these customizations of these songs will just propel you into the stratosphere. I'm just gonna continue to move down the line. Like if you watch kind of the film score blueprint, you start with textures, drones, you move to chord progressions, you move to melodies and improvs, and then hits and risers and swells. You move down the line. And so we are at melodies and improvs. I'm such a fan of these cello improvs. I'm gonna bring that in.
Time, honey. I get it.
Ooh! Like when it switched from that, like right on the chord hit, you hear that?
Take your time, honey. I get it.
I mean, these improvs are just so good.
Chasing relentlessly, still fighting, I don't.
Bro, oh, dude, these improvs are crazy. These single notes, this piano ping is forever timeless. Let me just play it for you. I'm gonna add this piano ping to every single chord hit. When we add it, it's just gonna make these chords just totally pop. Gotta make sure they're lined up like that.
Honey, I get it.
Yup, we're just gonna add this to every single hit. The final thing that we're gonna do is just use some risers and swells. This one I really like. Easy. We're gonna lead that into the first chord hit to give it just a little bit of a build. Boom.
Time, honey. I get it.
Yep. And then let me just repeat that when the new song comes in too.
See you again.
'Cause you are the piece of.
Dude. That's it. That's how easy it is. I mean, it's crazy that a videographer with not that much musical experience can just create music, a customization of 2 pop songs and put them together to make something cinematic in their video editing software. Let's just listen to the entire thing.
If you need time, just take your time, honey. I get it. Way you got me all in my head. Think I'd rather you in my bed. is, you know I can take it. I'm counting the days, how many days till I can see you again.
Cause you are the piece of me I wish I didn't need. Chasing relentlessly, still fighting, I don't know why. If our love is tragedy.
Wild. If you would like to learn more, click the link in the description. The Chapters Film Score collection is seriously game-changing, revolutionary, and man, I've seen it too many times. When filmmakers start going down this road, it ignites a whole new level of creativity that they didn't even know existed. Appreciate you watching this tutorial, and we will see you next week. Peace!